Alright, GM everyone, this is Mike. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Celenium API to build a small AI agent project. So Celenium API is a set of API will help you fetch the on-chain data from Celestia blockchain. And you can find the API doc here because in our project we are gonna build an AI agent project. So we also need an AI agent framework. So we choose ElizaOS here because it's fully open source. Which is easy to use and which is very popular recently. So you can also use our project as your starting point based on both Celestia tech stack and also ElizaOS tech stack. In this small project, we are going to build a lucky number AI agent, which means the AI agent will take a number and interpret it as a certain. So in our case, the lucky number will be the on-chain data. So we'll use the Celenium API here. We'll use the easiest one. We'll get the current indexer head and get the latest block hash value from it. And with this hash value, our AI agent will interpret it as a certain. So let's get started. So first you need to do is just git clone this repo here to local environment. And also you can use their official get started doc here to get it started. So because locally I already have this this environment has already git cloned this project, so you can see the structure here is very easy. So basically our project, what you need to do is just revising this character and also the chat logic here. Because in the chat, so when a user try to chat with an agent, there is an input, right, and also the the AI agent will give a response. In our case, because you need to check if this topic is about certain. So if it is about certain from the user, if you just fetch the latest block hash value, right? So what we need to do is add a get latest block hash value using Celenium API here. So we use this very easy API. Here is just a request without any params. So you can just get the response and the hash value here. So you can easily get the data and hash value. So with this hash value, this can be used as an extended input, right? So we already have another input. We'll also have this latest block hash value as a part of this input with your user original input, and have the final input to give it to AI agent and get its response, and to check if we already get successfully get the AI hash value, we can just output it, the latest hash value you get. So let's get started. To get it started, actually, because it's an AI agent, we also need an AI model. So right now, locally, I already run this Ollama model, but it's actually very easy to use if you want to use other other model. So let's get started. I already got it started by simply just npm start this project. It needs some time, depends on your laptop or your cloud environment. So let's get started. So it's already you can type something to chat with AI agent. Let's say hi, Eliza, and tell me my certain. Because this is about certain, and so it's check, and it will fetch, it will fetch your latest block hash value, as our logic shows here. Yeah, right. So because it's about certain, and so you call this function to get the response. So already get this response, and it's also set 200, which means the model also give a response. But because locally it needs some time to run it, maybe we need some time to get the response. But let's see here. So if you want to change this local model to other model, what you need to do is just change this environment configuration, and you can add your OpenAI key here, or you want to use DeepSeek, it also support it. And because in our case, we still just use, we just use the command line to be a showcase. Actually, if you want to make a Twitter for your AI agent, it's also easy. You can just add your username, password. So it's a good project actually for you as a starting point to build on top of both slash API and also the open source ElizaOS framework. As you can see, we get a response here. The agent said, your curiosity is driving you forward, but remember to take a step back and reflect on your journey. The answers you seek are within. Trust yourself. So that's your his interpretation. So if you wanna have it more intelligent, you can also chat everything you want with the AI agent, and also you can customize its character here. So it's just very easy to I did some customization, but you can easily customize more because if you want it more fine tuning. Yeah, so that's it. I hope this will help you to you can easily use it as a starting point to build your own project, especially your own AI agent based on ElizaOS and also slash API for on-chain data. So this model can be anyone you want to use, and the client can be anything, can be Twitter, can be Discord, can be command line. So it's all up to your creativity. All right, that's all. Thank you very much.